Hello, this is Mini Prabha, Assistant Professor of SNS College of Technology under the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. Today, I am going to take about a small topic from Fundamentals of Java. So, we know the concept of OOPS. So, what are the main concepts of OOPS? That is object class, abstraction, inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulations are the main concepts of inheritance. Today, I'm going to take the concept inheritance. What is inheritance? Inheritance in Java is a mechanism. Inheritance is in Java is a mechanism in which one object acquires all the properties and behavior of a parent class. So, what do you mean by inheritance means we are acquiring some properties from parents. Okay, so what is the main motive of using inheritance means to the reusability of code. So in a particular class, we are using one particular class as a parent class, and many subclasses are there. Subclasses like child class. So a child class is inherited some properties from parent class and also added some properties to the child class also. So inheritance is a mechanism in which the one object acquire all the properties and behavior of parent. It is an important part of OOPS, which means object-oriented programming system. The idea behind inheritance in Java is that you can create new classes that are built upon existing classes. When you inherit from an existing class, you can reuse the method and field of the parent class. Moreover, we can add new methods and fields in your current class also. Inheritance represents the IS relationship, which is also known as parent-child relationship. So one superclass will be there, one subclass will be there, or one parent class will be there, one child class will be there. Child parent class has some objects and methods. So in child class, we don't want to reuse the we want to reuse the same code of the parent class. So what the child class will do means child class will inherit the parent class. So it will get that object and this method from the parent class. So without you writing the code again, we are using the code of parent class. This is the main concept of inheritance. Inheritance in Java. Why we using inheritance? The four main thing is the for code reusability. For method overriding, so runtime polymorphisms can achieve. Terms used in inheritance. What are the main terms we're going to use in the inheritance which so of course the classes will be there and classes that is categorized as subclass and superclass. Subclass is known as child class. Subclass is a class which inherit the other class. It is called a derived class, extended class, or child class. Superclass or parent class. Superclass is the class from where the subclass inherit the features. It is called a base class or a parent class. Okay, base class or a parent class. Reusability. As the name specifies, reusability is a mechanism which facilitates you to reuse the field and the method of the existing class. When you create a new class, you can use the same field and method already defined in the previous class. So why the reusability? As the name specifies, the reusability is then the mechanism which facilitates you to reuse the field and the method of the existing class when you create a new class. You can use the same field and method already defined in the previous class. So this is the syntax for the inheritance. Class, subclass name, and which class we are going to inherit. That is extend, that extend keyword, then that class name. the parent class name. And inside the curly braces, we have to write the code. The extend keyword indicate that you are making a new class that derives from an existing class. This means the meaning of extend is to increase the functionality. In the terminology of Java, a class which is inherited is called a parent or a subclass, and the new class is called a child and subclass. Java inherit example. This is an example for this, right? Two classes are there, an employee and a programmer. The programmer is the child class and employee is the parent class. So parent class are having a type salary that is float. If as displayed in the above figure, programmer in is the subclass and employee is the superclass. The relationship between the two classes in programmer is employee. It means the programmer is a type of employee. So this is an example for that one. Employee, we are declaring a variable with the help of float data type, that is the value is 4000. And next class is extend the employee. Here we are introducing a new data type and date variables. 10,000 is a bonus. Public static void main programmer. Then here we are creating an object for this class and system.out println program salary is salary. This salary, where is in this salary? This salary is in employee. But with this object, we are calling this one. And system.outbound bonus of the programmer is this bonus. The same. The variable where is this bonus variable? This is in programmer class and the salary variable is in the employee class. This is the example for inheritance. So this is the introduction for the inheritance.